Hello everyone, today you have joined the CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to leak everything in Windows 11 and start again. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps giving your computer away or selling it. We just want a fresh start for you to get started. Come to the bottom and press the Windows Start button, and open up the settings. Come over to the left and press the System, and in here you need to go and scroll down and find the option for recovery. And you can go in Care and Recovery. You need to find the option for resetting this PC and press the Reset PC button to the right. You'll get this pop-up up, and what we can do is press Remove Everything like so. Now wait, you can choose how Windows will be reinstalled. I'll do a local reinstall. Then you can go and see the settings and press Next, and to continue, you can press Reset. Just take a while on your PC. That's it.